and I will talk you about the exhibition AstronomAs. Today, in the 21st century, the astronomy is brought to us not only by the new technological channels, but also by women in science. So, using their contribution to the astronomy and astrophysics through the history, we have created a modern, digital, interactive, and didactic exhibition called AstronomAs. This work it was based on a previous museum exhibition named Conade AstronomAs. It was born in the International Year of Astronomy 2009, and it has visited numerous places for more than 12 years. In this work of adaptation was taken up by a team of 15 people. This team is diverse from fields of astronomy, both professional and amateur, in the history of science, in philosophy, gender and culture studies, or in school and university education. It was possible thanks to the Spanish Foundation of Science and Technology of the Ministry of Science and Innovation, the Spanish Astronomical Society, and organization to which the members of the teams belong to. But what can we find in AstronomAs? The main focus is on the stories of more than 300 women. Women's contribution to the astronomy have always fundamental and unique, even though they had to fight against all odds. This is why AstronomAs includes figures from all periods, such as Aglaonice of Thessaly, 1st or 2nd century before Christ, Greek priests who knew the cycle of the eclipses, Hypatia of Alexandria, 4th century, who made important comments to the Ptolemy's Almagest. Caroline Herschel, 18th century, discovered several comets, or Andrea Ghez, in 21st century, the Nobel Prize in Physics 2020. Good work and passion for knowledge has no borders. In AstronomAs, we feature women from most varied ethnic and geographical backgrounds, as Paris Pismis, a Turkish emigrant to Mexico, Marie Corsaga from Burkina Faso, West African first PhD in astrophysics, Wang Zhenyi from China, who described the cosmos and its relationship to the Earth, or Lisa Cooley from Australia, galaxy evolution specialist. Scientific intelligence overcomes the most difficult adversities in the form of gender bias or functional diversity. For women, these obstacles are to add to historical prejudice and inequalities. Nevertheless, they demonstrate their tenacity to be heard. And that is why for AstronomAs collects examples such as Jessica Minks, a transgender woman who could co-discover the Uranus rings, Cecilia McGaw, who lives with schizophrenia, or Sonia Dufar, communicator astronomy for deaf people and minorities, as we have just heard Alexandra told us. In AstronomAs, we reflect the slow progress for our society of experimenting in terms of inclusion and gender equality. These include women from different professional fields and academic stages, as Maria Garcia Vargas, businesswoman who created a private company specializes in astronomical instrumentations and software development, or Cristina Cabello, a young PhD student who is finishing her thesis based on development of experiment techniques and the study of distant galaxy, as some of our attendants women in the workshops that is here in this sub. Regarding females astronomers involved in Gaia mission, the exhibition includes 40 women. 11 from are members from the Data Processing and Analysis Consortium, and 29 from the Spanish network of the scientific exploitation of Gaia. How can we visit AstronomAs? The main format to carry out the tour of the exhibition is a website. This is a dynamic element independent of the moment and the place in which we are, and easily accessible from any electronic device. With a friendly interface, it allows knowing the astronomers through their profiles, both scientifics and personals, within excuse me, and all that with a simple clicking in on their images, or using find it by their names and surnames. The structure of the exhibition is divided in 14 disciplines. The Milky Way is one of these topics, along the sun, the stars, the solar systems, the exoplanets, interstellar medium, galaxy cluster, astroparticle physics, supermassive black holes, cosmology, software and big data, and instrumentation. Within those areas of work, there are 3 questions. I mean, down in the images, and under subjects, we will be able to know the relationships between the astronomy and other areas such as the cinema, the music, the literature, the comics, etc. Pruebas contains downloadable educational booklets that will teach us to use the rules to measure the universe, or to see 15 sunrise a day, or to know the secret codes of the stars. Whereas will test the knowledge acquired during the visit, playing the online game Hypatia Mission. We have also podcasts and videos in our YouTube channel, and all of these are wrapped in a beautiful soundtrack composed by a young future female astronomers and music talent who don't work. Well, is Paula Espinosa, who was finalist on the 2020 edition of a TV music show in Spain. There are also a reduced printed version consisting of 16 panels. Each poster has a different format, an image, and a simple description of the theme, coexist with photos of profiles of 3 or 4 astronomers, and a QR code which links to the virtual exhibitions. This format was created due to the need from a wide range of institutions to a physical version, such as school, libraries, museums, etc. There are 3 versions in Spanish, Catalan, and Galician languages. The files can be downloaded free of charge from our website itself, but the institution can also apply on loan and no cost, only the transport, and for the already printed material. To do this, it is only necessary to address any of the people of our team who belonging to the institution that were them. For example, for the case of Galician version, you can contact with me since I am also the curator of the exhibition. What are the objectives of this exhibition? The purpose of the AstronomAs are to get attention to the public in new entertainment and intuitive way, to promote culture in society by spreading scientific knowledge adapted to all ages, to increase the level of education through the development of teaching materials, to progress toward effective equality between women and men by giving visibility to the important roles that the women have in the evolution of science, and finally, to promote scientific interest among students and teenagers and provide role models. This exhibition was opened by the end of September 2029. The audience welcomed astronomers with open arms. The news about the virtual inauguration reached more than 1,000 people on Facebook and Twitter just in 1 week. Since then, and during its first 6 months, the virtual exhibition received almost 5,000 visits, mainly in Spain, USA, Mexico, and Argentina, not only by desktop computers, but also mobile devices, in proportion approximately of 50-50. The AstronomAs trailer has been played almost 5,000 times in our YouTube channel, which has more than 100 subscribers, and the video clips about particular topics, black holes and technology, have already added up 100 of visualization. This shows the importance of creating a modern and digital exhibition, and as expected by today's society. As for physical exposure, it has traveled for different universities, professional college, middle school, museums, and of Andalusia, Castilla-La Mancha, Madrid, Galicia, Cantabria, Canary Island, and so on. AstronomAs is a changing exhibition. It will continuously update the work of astronomy female professional in all of its areas, will especially focus on the work of Spanish women. The transversality of its contents, the virtual format, and the importance of its objectives make it an exhibition called to endure in time. It will be the exhibition to welcome today the astronomers of tomorrow. And I will finish my talk showing you the promotional teaser of the exhibition.
¿Qué más allá del tiempo y del espacio? ¿Qué más allá? Camino hacia la ciencia, la verdad. AstronomAs.
Vas a iniciar un viaje de la mano de astrónomas que te llevarán a descubrir muchos de los misterios de la astronomía y que ellas han desvelado con arrojo, afán y alegría.
Well, this is all. about the talk. But as you know, this is a message for the people on site. You know, in the whole of the faculty, there is the Galician version of the exhibition, and I invite you to please to visit it in the coffee break that we have now.
Thank you very much, Josefina. Any comment or question for panel?
But also all the presentation is recorded and we will put Sarunas, we will put in the web page the recorder sessions.
If presenters agree, so yes.
Okay.
I just want to make a comment. It is incredible how music can make us feel closer to the ideas and to share emotions about this kind of topics. So this is a beautiful end for your presentation, Farah.
Thank you very much.